Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for producer and actor Alia Bhatt.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. आज मैं बहुत excited हूँ, बहुत nervous हूँ, पर क्योंकि I'm not only here as an actor, I'm here as a producer, and I have to thank Gaurav and Red Chillies for being so supportive of this idea and actually pushing me to do this along with you as a producer. So thank you so much.
Pleasure is all ours.
इटर्नल सनशाइन प्रोडक्शंस है मेरे प्रोडक्शन हाउस का नाम. बुटीक प्रोडक्शन हाउस है. इट्स स्टिल वेरी क्यूट एंड स्मॉल, बट द सिम्बोलिज्म इज सनशाइन. तो मैं आज आपके लिए सन बनकर आई हूँ.
और शाइन तो आप हमेशा ही करती हैं.
आई होप,
yes.
बट लिटरली आई हैव कम ड्रेस्ड लाइक द सन फॉर यू. I've taken over.
No, as you should. I promise you, between you and me, they rather listen to you than me.
No.
So it's totally fine. No, but you know, Alia, this is great. We have tons of conversations to make over here. We want to know more about the film, the fact that you're a first-time producer, and to many, many more. But most importantly, this film wouldn't have been possible without a really important person. And I'm going to let you do the honors to invite her on stage.
Yes. So, this is Jasmeet K. Reen's first film as a director, and I really want you all to give her a lot of love and the hugest round of applause, because without Jasmeet, none of this would have been possible. Eternal Sunshine may not have happened in the year of 2022 if it wasn't for Jasmeet. So without further ado, I want to bring on our darling director, जिसको मैं director साहब बुलाती हूँ और वो मुझे producer साहब बुलाती है. But director साहब, Jasmeet, please come on stage, and please guys give her a big round of applause.
You heard it from Alia Bhatt herself, Jasmeet K. Reen, co-writer and director of Darlings. Many congratulations, Jasmeet. How are you feeling?
Nervous, excited. It's my first film, so it's very, very special. I want to thank Eternal Sunshine and Red Chillies for giving me the freedom to make this film the way I wanted to, and giving me a fantastic cast and crew to be able to collaborate with. So thank you, and we've all made this with a lot of love. Hopefully you will enjoy it.
Well, there's only going to be love and more love and more love pouring in, because there's only talent and more talent and more talent that keeps pouring in on stage today. Yes, I have no words for this one, but powerhouse performer. I know I'm stating the most well-earned cliche in the business, but she's all that and much more, guys. Put your hands together for the one and only Shefali Shah. Woo! Yay! Look at her! Welcome, Shefali. You look wonderful, as does everyone else. How are you feeling to be on stage today for Darlings?
First and foremost, hello, darlings. I'm so happy to be here to share stage with such amazing people. And Jasmeet, Alia, Gaurav, everyone, Netflix, Monica. I mean, this would not have been possible without anyone, and who's going to come and join us soon. So I really hope you all feel as much love for Darlings as we did and we do for it. And thank you for being here. And yeah.
Absolutely. And yes, she cued me into calling our next favorite star. Find a great film and put him in it. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Vijay Varma. Woo! True blue actor. True blue. Look at this guy. Absolutely dashing today for many reasons. And I'm hoping that the most important reason is Darlings. How do you feel about being on stage today for such a wonderful film?
I feel very good about this, but at the same time, I'm very, very nervous and partly shivering inside these
Why?
layers.
Why? Why are you shivering inside so many layers?
I think I have like a fear of public talking.
Okay, so I don't
We
know.
can't
now
get
if I
rid of the
say-
public. They have to
Now, if
be-
I say something, I sound wrong. If I don't say anything, I sound wrong. So, would
नहीं,
I
तुम
should I
करो
give you a
अपना काम.
hug? Will that be right? और मैं करूँ अपना? ठीक है, मैं करती हूँ अपना. But बातें तो करनी पड़ेंगी.
Yes,
Huh? So,
I'm
we ready?
ready for that.
Yeah, at some point. But before we get down to the talking, I'd like to call back Monica Shergill and Venki on stage, please, before we start having a conversation about this wonderful film. Monica, before we let you sit, guys, this may be a really wonderful time for a photo op. Sorry, if we can come together for a photo opportunity.
बाद में ना चेयर वेयर निकाल
ठीक
के
है,
फोटो
ठीक है.
फोटो करके हाँ
जैसे प्रोड्यूसर चाहे.